This is your brain on drugs. The neurotransmitter and receptors in your brain can make us do something habitually, to crave something to where we get hooked and addicted. What the brain is capable of doing and how it works in conjunction with it's just amazing. The mind is definitely a terrible thing to waste. Neurotransmitters. We're talking about the science of addiction. Neurotransmitters are chemical transmitters that our body cannot function without. Their job is to carry out the signals and messages in our brain. These are the messages from one neuron or nerve cell to the next targeted cell. This is the transmitter's job. The receptor receives these signals in many forms. The receptor receives the messages in which the receptor receives these signals in many forms. The receptor plays an important role in our moods, our learning, and our social bonds concerning the feelings, moods of joy, excitement, happiness, and the brain's pleasure and reward system that is powered by the neurotransmitter dopamine. Yes, it does have the word dope in it. Maybe that's where we get the word dope from. Dopamine is where it all goes down in accordance with addiction. This is the neurotransmitter called the pleasure center. This is where it happens in regards to cravings, compulsions, and addictions. Addiction has been labeled as a medical condition, so we should know the science behind addictions. Dopamine is the brain signal that carries pleasurable rewards and pleasurable signals, and can increase the desire for drugs. Dopamine not only contributes to the experience of pleasure, but it also plays a role in learning and memory. I'm giving you this knowledge to help you get free from all addictions. Because for lack of knowledge, people will perish. I have been delivered and set free from drugs and addiction for 25 years. And I was a professional, experienced drug user and drug abuser. For those years of my life, I was good at using drugs. I was a dope fiend. The power of the mind controls us. Addictive chemical substances and behavioral addictions stimulate the same circuit in the brain, then overload it. Anything that has a potential to activate the dopamine system has what is called an addictive dimension. This is why we are programmable and why we are subconsciously attached to emotional states of pleasure. This is the function of the reward center of the brain that produces dopamine. We look for things to make negative emotions go away or to make bad things go away. This can result in chemical substance use, abuse, and behavioral addictions. Anything that we do to try to make these emotions go away is called the disease of pleasure. As long as people have had ways to feel good, to make bad things go away, we have struggled to know when it is time to stop.